Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King in Tekken 3. Let's start with the fundamentals. King is a powerful grappler, so understanding his basic punches and kicks is crucial for setting up his signature throws. Practice simple combinations and learn to block incoming attacks. Mastering these foundational moves will give you a strong base to build upon, allowing you to dominate your opponents with King's unique fighting style. King is renowned for his extensive arsenal of throws, boasting over 20 unique grappling techniques. The giant swing, executed with 2 forward inputs and left punch, is a fundamental and powerful option. Another iconic move is the tombstone piledriver, performed with down, forward, and left punch. Learning to chain these throws together into devastating combos is key to becoming a formidable King player. Beyond throws, King also has effective combos and juggle opportunities. Use his jumping kicks to launch opponents into the air, then follow up with quick punches and kicks to keep them airborne. The ollie kick, performed with down back and right kick, is an excellent low launcher. Mastering the timing of these juggle attacks will allow you to inflict significant damage and control the pace of the match. To truly master King, incorporate advanced strategies into your gameplay. Utilize his unblockable moves, like the burning knuckle, for unexpected damage. Learn to counter-hit opponents who are aggressively attacking, turning their offense into your advantage. Crucially, mix up your throws and strikes to keep your opponents constantly guessing your next move. Consistent practice against diverse characters will refine your King playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.